gotta switch props? Oh, really? Alright. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's Saturday, today's the Chino run. And Mr. Chino came out of the channel, he's having a little bit of boat issues. So he's gonna go back home and get a new boat. So he told me to gather up the troops wherever here and start heading to Caribbean Club so we can meet up with the rest of the pack. It's always something, guys, but these guys know where they're going, so we're gonna follow them. Huh? We're on time, good. Yeah, no bomb. You know how the saying goes, guys. It's always something. Now, the engine is bogging down. I don't know if I have bad fuel or what. But it takes off and then it comes down. It takes off and it comes down. Always something. Everybody going up to the first meetup or the second meetup spot, Caribbean Club. I came directly to where to the spot that I wanted to film at because I want to catch everybody coming out of the channel. So my buddy's gonna put up his drone so we can get some good footage for you guys. And right now I'm trying to also fix this little bogging issue. I don't know why she's bogging. She was running perfectly yesterday, but let's see how this footage comes out. Do it.
You excited?
I was, but not now that this boat's bogging. It wasn't doing it yesterday. It wasn't doing it yesterday. That's what's pissing me off. Yesterday it ran perfectly.
With you. It's okay.
So it's like I just want to use her as an anchor right now, to be honest. Runner up. There's this guy and his beautiful Concept. I'm gonna do a walk around video of that boat, because that thing is beautiful. It's custom made boat. We got the drone up in the air. How's she flying?
I had to take the cover off.
The cover?
Hold on, I'll bring it to you, I'll bring it to you, I'll bring it to you.
Hold it. I'm holding it, go. There we go. Alright, you're gonna launch her again? You're good? Let's go, let's see what she sees. Going out that way. Up there to the mangroves. Yes, he is. This is why you guys want to subscribe to this channel. Damn, you're a little dirty. You want to subscribe because there's nobody else showing you this content. Look at these guys. We're about to reach 10,000 subscribers, guys. "21 Extremes." We got Paramounts. Oh, the talent's here. He did come out on his boat. Willie did come out on his boat. What the hell? Oh no, that's Blaine. Yeah, that's Blaine and Maria. You coming back, bro? Wait. Oh, maybe. That's a nice little boat right there.
Oh, that's Peppy right there.
Oh yeah, that's real nice.
That's real nice right there.
All you YouTube haters, all right? We don't want to curse on here because we're doing big things on YouTube with boat vibes. My ladder's on a spring, all right? So it comes down and comes up. It's not that I forget to put it up. It comes down when you go fast, all right? I got a little bungee cord on there now.
Someone's a little butthurt about all the comments you guys are leaving on his video with the black checkmate.
Hey, It's a fresh checkmate. Don't be hating.
How about you taking off in a no wake zone?
I wasn't in no wake zone, bro. All right? It's a fresh checkmate. I paid top dollar for this. Talking about a $10,000 boat.
See, that's a fine line interior right there. You instantly know who has a fine line interior by just looking at the backrest. This thing is beautiful. What's up, guys?
All right.
Nice to see you guys.
Got some good footage?
Of you, yeah. Of you, yeah. I'll send them to you. You'll get my content. I'll send them to you. But yeah, I got some good footage of you. No, he's not here yet, bro. I think he went to look at his dad's boat. Man, look at that dash. I want to do this on my boat. This is yours? Yeah. I'm sure you hear this a lot, but this interior, there's nothing like a fine line interior. Like there's nothing like it.
Some guys seen it last week and was like, how much? I was like, no.
Yeah, but you can't. It's like $8,000 in just the interior.
Nah, his interior, bro, I called fine line. They went away.
Yeah, well, the interior is what boats are worth. So it's like.
His interior is what my boat is worth.
Man, this thing. It has a 280 on it. I'm in love. Look at the details. Oh, and you have the new style key. He has the new style Verado key on it. This thing is beautiful too. Nice, classy looking. Has a flake to it. That's what I like. I think I'm doing something similar like that on my checkmate. With the Simrad or the garment in the middle and the push button on the side with the glove box. It's real nice. Yeah, the mercury stickers and carbon fiber. It's perfect, yeah.